So guys, I have found you something that you really love, right? You know, Africans, you have something fun, something beautiful in us. So as you can see, my daddy here is a pig farmer, right? So he farms pigs, right? So I'm going to show you the pigs around and how he's feeding them, right? For the pigs, right? So you can see these are the food that the pigs eat. So we haven't seen some before, guys. It's amazing, right? So these are the food. Let's look at the first pig. Guys, hope you can see them. Wow. This is amazing, guys. See how they are eating the food. Wow, very nice. Beautiful. Okay, so let's come here. Oh, this is a kid. Cuckoo. They also come inside. The way they are watching the camera. Okay, so these are the pigs. They are eating. They are being fed, right? Oh, they are four. Very, very nice and beautiful. Hello guys, everything for I'm about sensitive the traveler. And then my baby papa Kriani, Kriani when I'm say Kriya you ni baby, your mom agric, your mom call field, your mom I'm say Fujuma, and your mom Mwahujuma, right? Intende mabinya mi papa bia ono de nde o se eye mpreku ye ba potoka se me kan pics e na onyen nti we de me ni magitwe nkomo kakra na e bia nim nim bia wo adwuma mu na e bia mo bia ba so de boa na e tre adwuma mu no na ye hu se ne kwan be fa so da me tia o na apume na no pay den eko
no pay u ba han ma enye bone me mbo ya mi na u ba be hwe se said I'm one funny. The American said, Misika. I'm a dear, and Tina Jamaiana said, the bear. Minya may and ma annual.
Okay, Tinada Uchima, so be what a bontenas or percent or this kakra. Esim now be any cassia, Uncle Wendy Bedroom, many bedroom. Now wait me idea. Let me, yes. Me and Casama told me plot. See, I will try make and will be plot and my cost serena. Here then, lay and Allah, may say, see, I will pass on me. Yes, meant to a hand this year. You go compare to the one guma. Bibiana will back on about the general plot. Until me say, prayer my fan say, come in your will be to me a boamia. Come here and never come a plot. So, Nanka, papa, you're not as I am. Yeah, Frakuna me. Yeah, me were for more before best 7 to 8 acres. Yes, they are Greek, no, yeah, Auntie come here, they say my prano class and me per se. The young point, Chepraka, Musu Sika 70. Me trick, I'm starting best a lot. Black way, they are 15 years. Wow, 15 years into me and Alalas. Now, on say, me buy a bony swap. For me, try a boo natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ubia one the map. Back first one, the Maya 4. Second one, the Maya 7. Third one, the Maya 6. And now fifth one, the fourth one, the Maya 10. Sikasem, they say, no, and then 3 days and I'm a man, the general officer, the bomb, Pani Bubu, almost say. They say, I can't be 2 weeks here, there's a bomb, Pani Dim, Sikan cry again. Okay, in Tabusan for Hona said, when need jeans, I do my way whom be ever pay me the number ever to video nasi. Where's my friend? Guys, and to say be our honor. Mubej National Match said, now, me so one thing say, Nedia, on say Nipa dear, until the woman send me a mebo and to be near on because me want to say, Papa ni here moi, and yet say be a ne children of bar, onya moi. As soon as you be a Jumaimu, where Jumamu be yes, Cabby, yes, or call bank in the dinner into or say, Mobia or person the one, and you won't quan or ye a before no Maca Honsi. Made the number bet to a video nasi into a shop for Modiana friend. So baby, I will be a so Ghana, how Abuja, who Ankrah, with an Casa, says Casembia, Canabia.
ebia papa no nse da ebia be do this can be fine no hu so a me so me de me number be ka ho nti woni ne kasa wia na true no kre de ye na me so me kofo me mu adiduma ache nti me nim se me di no kre because me dey say me buy no me pese me promote ade no na ade no kone nim nti bibia ni a me so me hwe se ebe ye adwuma nti da asem krakra no say nti obi wo na se pese obo asem be na okatre
me sira ifa omo hwe me ene wo mo mudie ma se nhia moa me wa ho kire mpa me kita master ene me yere me ma me krate ase a me gusu a me hwe no bai sika sem entena nti ne di obi pese obo me a na me adwuma no mutra me sira na wo moa me
okay nti da so obi boss sisi ana so obi discuss bro sisi ase fashion adwuma ma den nyoma be na o de be ka adwuma ho ama adwuma na koso
dia me de be ka ho dia starting na dia sika me pese sisi a dia e dia ya adwuma no say me pese me si foundation ma moa no
ese baby amoa ne beda
beda wa wo hwe buo mu a wo se buo mu nye nso totokra na la chese ahwe kra na effect me ateche na me gina mu na me ma moa na aduane so nti me hia sika akra se ombe boa me na sika no omde ma me na se moa wo mo boa me na se sika no ba ana se adwuma no mutera me nso mentimi me bompa ye pa me be pa so me ye pentacles ni so mentimi hwe se nipa na boa mentimi be yi mani ana me nya me mentimi de be yankwase ade ana aduate sa me nso me hwe afoforo na me nso ma boa me se de a obi nso afa so a ono so be boa me
okay nti ebusanfo we de me videos ni nyina etwa gu screen ni nti do hu bibia da ye da wase se wonya mre na bibia ni nso a me kwa meje wo number bibia ni nso a me mema waso ate me da sa bye bye ntina oh you do the war in you. And then a man home is an animal. Oh, Mr. Nuna, a panny and it's on your money. Okay guys, in these are pigs, right? They are pigs, and I just had a conversation with the owner. This is a sick pig, so the pig is sick, and the owner needs money to take good care of the pigs, right? So guys, if you're out there and you want to help, this is a chance for you to help him. Okay, so this is also male, 2 female pigs, right? So as you can see. Thank you for watching this video. I know you are going to call the number below and find out how you can help this man raise this pig. Okay, so as you can see, this is the land, right? So this is the let's say the room for the pigs, right? So he wants to expand the room, right? So that he can take care of so many pigs. So as you can see, the room is not walled, right? So this is the man himself. So the room is not wall, like he wants a proper room, proper room, right? So yeah, help our brother to raise more pigs. Okay, so subscribe, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here.